Welcome to another video of me having to film in my car because your boy is too broke to afford a microphone, but can't afford a car part and an exhaust that's coming in soon. Stay tuned for that. Well, on a real note, we're going to be doing some things to the e36, doing a full detail, not full detail, but like a partial detail. And I also have to get some things for the car, like the rear license plate light, because I'm not trying to get pulled over for a fix-it ticket. And my door's open. There we go. But yeah, so we got to pick out a couple of things, and I think we're gonna be detailing the car a little bit, even though it's incredibly windy and 40 degrees out. Should be a good one. So you see what I'm talking about, and this thing is gonna fix it. But unfortunately, there's two, so I have to get another one from probably just like O'Reilly's or something, but it's kind of a pain, so let's go do it. So we got exactly what we needed. $7, I think? I mean, you can't really beat that, but it's exactly what I needed. So perfect, the guy's hooking up. So now we just have to run to Walmart really quick and then get some stuff for the washing the car. And then after that we can come back and, you know, wash it. Alright, so we're at the Walmart, so now we're just gonna go get the car washing stuff. I'm gonna use this little guy right here. Hopefully get some sneaky little footage. And then with that, hopefully don't get kicked out. Anyways guys, so I think we're gonna get some quick detailer. I'm also gonna get this. Be the one that we're going with. You get a microfiber cloth and everything. They're basically the same, but I think we're definitely gonna go with this one. And so hopefully that GoPro video caught a little bit of the actual purchasing process. But basically, guys, I'll show you this more when we get back to the house, but we got some clay bar kit. It comes with like this detail spray, so it clay bar on a rough surface, you know. So I think that's better. And then we got this Chemical Guys wash and shine kit. Pretty decent deal, 40 bucks. Get the bucket, the guard, all their stuff, and then the wash brush. So like, I think it's a pretty good deal. I got all this stuff for 60 bucks. Clay kit, if that makes my car look better, I'm cool with it. If I were to ever make merch in the future, I think it would be this on a white t-shirt, like broken and everything. Oh god. See, much better, right? Crazy how that worked. Now, let's get the light bulbs and do that. So we got these 4 screws, which is actually 2 because I don't know the other ones went. Mint. Okay. Alright, so now that we undid everything, we can pull this out, and that leads us to these inlays that you can pull out, and then you can access the light bulb. Pretty easy stuff, not too hard, so let's go ahead and pull these out. Literally that simple, guys. I'm telling you, this is an easy job. Alright, so that one's in. Now we just have this other one, and then we have to see if that light turns on and off. Hopefully it won't. God, I really hope it doesn't, but honestly, knowing this thing, it might. And also, your favorite person here, Kayla. Oh yeah, so I asked her to bring a pressure washer, and she brought an air canister. Head ass. But it's cool. Alright, so now they're installed, so let's go put that trim piece on and make sure that they work. So now this piece is installed, so, oh, I need the drill. And they're back. There's no more arrow light, and the thing works perfectly, just like it should. So now we are legal. That is perfect. Alright, so now let's break into this new kit that I got and see what's inside. Okay. Wow, it's kind of heavy. So there's all the new stuff. Wheel cleaner, like just regular wash and trim restore. Alright, so right now we're going to wash the car. It's dark out and it's also 32 degrees. But basically, I'm not going to film it because it's very dark out, but I will film the clay bars part, so we can do that. But basically, I'm just going to do a quick wash of the car, and then after that we can clay bar it and you'll be able to see all that. So let's do that. Well, I think this is what we're going to have to pick up tomorrow, considering this is all ice. Okay, so we're back. It's the next day, and now we're going to retry to do this when it's not as cold up. Still 36 degrees, but better than 28. Alright, so now we're just gonna rewash the car. Alright, so the car is all soaked up. So we're gonna let this sit, and then we're gonna do the touch wash, and then we're gonna clay bar it. She's looking good already. Black wheels actually like pop more. But anyways, we're gonna let this sit for a couple more minutes, and then we're gonna do the touch wash with the Chemical Guys stuff we got. which is right over here. Oh, this is for trim and stuff. This is wheel cleaner. This is just your everyday car wash. So this stuff smells amazing. Got the bucket going. Alright, now we're going to do the touch wash. Alright, so the car is rinsed, but now we have to dry it and then we do the clay bar. Alright, so now with our gloves on and the car fully rinsed off, dried for the most part, we're gonna be clay barring it. I think we're gonna start with the roof and then just work our way down, so we're doing it by panel by panel.
Anyone saying they want to go out with you is pretty great, isn't it?
So this is what you want to look for. This right here, see all the black stuff? That's really like, I know it's doing something. Alright, so after I just did the entire car, so let's go see what it looks like in the sun. Okay, the car is officially done. It looks really good. It's shining, like the clay bar doesn't make it really shine anymore, but it takes out the imperfections, like it takes out all the, like, just like built-in dirt and stuff that's been in there for the past, 20 something years. So it really does look better, and I'm pretty pleased with it, but yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.